Goodbye, now rainy season.
Spring is a wonderful time for animals to emerge from their winter slumbers, and it's full of new life and activity. Today we're going to quickly learn about some common animals that you might see in the spring season. 1. Lambs and kids. Many farm animals, such as sheep and goats, give birth to their babies in the spring. Baby lambs and baby kids are often seen frolicking in fields, learning to walk, and bonding with their mothers. 2. Birds. Spring is when many bird species return from migration or begin their nesting season. Robins, swallows, sparrows, along with other tiny little birds, are commonly seen in the springtime. Birds love to fill their air with chirping. 3. Baby deer. Deer often give birth in the late spring as well. The sight of a baby fawn is very common and very beautiful. They typically stay hidden for the first few weeks of life to stay safe from predators, but as a baby fawn grows, they become more independent and they distance themselves from their mothers. 4. Squirrels. Springtime is a very busy time for squirrels. They typically raise their young in the spring, teaching them how to climb and gather food. Squirrels also love to chase one another and climb up trees. If you look closely, you may spot some squirrels jumping around tree branch to tree branch. 5. Rabbits. Spring is also the season when rabbits have their babies. Rabbit nests are often hidden in tall grass or shallow burrows, camouflaged to protect the babies from predators. You might spot baby rabbits called kits hopping around in fields or gardens. Rabbits also have very thick fur. As the weather warms, rabbits lose their thick fur from the winter to adapt to the changing season. 6. Insects. The warmer weather brings out insects like butterflies, bees, and ladybugs. Bees in particular are very active in the springtime. They love to fly around and pollinate flowers and collect nectar to make honey. 7. Foxes. Fox kits, or cubs, are usually born in the early spring, around March or April. A typical litter has 4 to 6 cubs, but sometimes there can be as many as 10. Some foxes shed their thick winter coats in the spring for a sleeker, thinner summer coat. 8. Frogs and toads. As the weather warms up, frogs and toads come out of hibernation and gather near ponds, lakes, and marshes to mate. Spring showers create the perfect wet environment for frogs and toads, helping them stay hydrated and making it easier for them to find food. 9. Calves and foals. Cows and horses often give birth to their young in the spring. Baby cows, which we call calves, and baby horses, which we call foals, are very playful and curious. They can be found in pastures, learning how to walk and interact with their mothers. 10. Turtles and snakes. Spring is an exciting time for turtles and snakes as they come out of winter hibernation. Spring is when turtles are often spotted crossing roads as they move between water sources and nesting sites. In the spring, snakes also shed their old skin as they grow, revealing fresh, shiny new scales underneath. Springtime is such a bright and exciting time. The weather gets warmer and the world is filled with beautiful flowers, fresh green leaves, and baby animals. It's a season of new beginnings where everything feels alive and full of energy. The longer days and sunny skies make it a perfect time to go outside, play, and enjoy the fresh air. I hope you get to go outside this spring season and catch sight of some of these wonderful creatures that we learned about today. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that like button. For more videos like this one, subscribe to our channel and don't forget the notification bell.